I got you guys another deal with this nailer. Big shout out to DVXAZ. You did comment on one of my previous videos, and mentioned this deal out. This is a really good deal, a really good hack, special with the special buy of the day. It's even lower. So guys, definitely check it out. It's the Brad nailer and the two fuel tools. So this is the M18 18 volt lithium brushless cordless hammer drill and impact driver combo with two tool and an 18 gauge Brad nailer. Guys, this is a really good deal. If you don't own any of these tools, this is the time. So $589, guys. It's on sale, special buy from $629 is down to $589. That's what makes it a killer deal, is that it's down to the $589. So what you do is you go down here to the free item with purchase. You select the free item with purchase. Says, you can select the battery, so which you're going to get a battery for that. And you go to the cart. It doesn't matter which store. The stores are the same. Alright, so once you go to the cart here, you're going to get this battery for $112. So it'll bring down the price from $139 to $112. If you don't want the battery, you don't have to get it. You can either ship it to home and return it later. Or you guys know how to do that hack thing, if that's what you want to do. All right, guys. So this is the price, guys. $476. This is a great deal. This is a smoking deal on this. You're even getting a deal even before this price, and you're getting another discount on top of that. So $476 on this Brad nailer, plus you're getting impact driver and hammer drill, 2 5s, a charger, and a hard case. So definitely check it out. Big shout out to DVXAZ for mentioning this deal. Don't forget to, and I'll leave the link down below in the description section. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.